finally in the car. We're ready to head to New Haven, Connecticut today. I'm very excited. The plan is to go to Yale just because that way then we can say we went to Yale. To go to Yale, there's a library of rare books that I would love to go to if we can somehow work that out with the kids in tow. But the big draw today is going to the ocean. Edison's already been asking at least 3 times on the way over to Walmart if we were out of town yet, because he's very excited to watch a movie. What movie are we gonna watch?
I don't want to tell.
You don't want to tell? Okay, I think it's gonna be Cars, but don't tell. We finally made it here. We're at the hotel where we're gonna stay tonight and planning to check in and drop stuff off, and then hopefully go find some lunch, go to the ocean. We want to go see the lighthouse and the carousel that's there at the park. It was a long drive, a really long drive. Look, it's the ocean.
Wow.
Right there across the road.
See the water and the beach?
Very hot down there.
I think it's probably pretty breezy.
That's hot.
And IKEA right here.
Yeah! IKEA! So this is the original hamburger. What's your verdict?
Needs ketchup.
What do you think, Edison? Good? Very good.
Super hungry.
Who is super hungry?
Stop talking. Not ice cream cone.
It's not an ice cream cone. What is it? Frozen yogurt?
Is it yogurt, Dad? Look it. We're different kids,
Well,
Mom.
Edison says it's not for us to have. It's for a construction site. Come on, Edison.
We have to put it back. Incredible.
Yeah.
It's a hiding place. Look at these little panda bears. Little ones. Little panda bears.
I know.
He's eating a panda bear.
Okay.
You can find me.
Okay, but soon we gotta go find Daddy. Okay, come find you. Where is Edison? Where is he? Where is he? Ah! Careful. You're right, a ladder. Nice. Oh, okay, now you can get down. It's a little wobbly.
I did see a sign. Their appliances are whirlpool.
Oh. What do you find?
Some things that are missing.
Yeah.
But I can't pick them up. You know?
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hi.
We talk about adventure.
I talk about our adventure. Okay. But we got here, got to the hotel, it was great. Then we realized we couldn't get to the carousel at the park that we wanted to go to
Why?
because it was closed. Then what did we do after that? Then we decided to get food. So we went to that hamburger place.
We went to this place and then
We waited for 40 minutes. And
40
unfortunately,
minutes,
Brian and the
then
boys
we went to the
and the
ocean,
dog had to
and
wait
then we went to
outside.
the lighthouse, and then we went to the hamburger place.
Oh. But this was the place that hamburgers were first invented. Fun fact, hamburgers and pizza, American style pizza, were both invented here in New Haven. So it's pretty famous for both. And also Yale, which we have not gone to yet. We waited 40 minutes, but I got the inside scoop on the place from a guy who'd worked there for like 50 years. Shout out to Mike, who let me come sit in the back room, showed me like old pictures of the building, told me all about his daughter, everybody who worked there, his daughter's messy divorce, and his 4 colonoscopies. But also all about the restaurant and the famous people who've eaten there, like Harrison Ford, Steven Spielberg, Jodie Foster was one, I guess, who used to frequent the place. We went to the lighthouse. It was so cold. It was so cold and windy. Still fun. It was really beautiful. The ocean was so pretty, wasn't it? Do you remember the playground?
But we did play now. But we played on the playground a little bit.
We sure did. And then we thought, well, we realized our hotel was right next to IKEA, like right next to it. So what better time to go to IKEA? So we made that mistake. 3 hours later, we managed to escape.
Escape for what?
IKEA. It was all going really well and we were having fun playing and looking at all the stuff, looking at kitchen stuff, and then Edison hit his head on the countertop. Remember that? Yeah. And it was kind of all downhill from there.
Not chocolate.
Not chocolate? Vanilla? Frozen yogurt?
Yeah, I got yogurt, ice cream. But it was good, and it was an ice cream cone, and it was the truth. Goodbye.
Goodbye. So the plan tomorrow is to go to Yale and Village Green and a donut shop, hopefully, and the library, rare books, if we can swing that, and then go to the ocean again. To go to the carousel. We'll need a good night's sleep first. Oh, nice.
It's getting pretty sprinkled.
Yeah.
Sassy bold and cut your mind.
Today's your first day at Yale.
Mine too.
Yeah.
So Emily's too.
Okay, what's your verdict with the oatmeal cream whoopie pie?
It's the best thing I've ever eaten, probably.
What do you think? Okay, now we're at Yale.
Look at me and cheese. That's stuffed with cookie dough. Everything about this is perfect. What you doing, guys? Oh, he's beating you.
that gorgeous? It's like a castle.
Yeah, how do we get from the castle?
We're gonna go through the tunnel. Keep walking straight.
But how do we get that bridge?
I don't know.
But we have a big giant snowman.
So when any researcher makes a request, our catalog is digital, so it's hard to browse. This isn't really a browsing library where you
Sure.
get browsing close, so everything's online on our digital catalog. Whenever you're interested in anything, you put in a request, the librarians confirm it via email and they tell you to come on in. Can't touch
Don't
them,
touch.
sorry.
No touching. No touching. Just
Yeah.
look with your eyes. Look with your
This way, the door is gonna close.